Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with Windows Update KB5044380 is not installing in Windows 11. So this is the preview cumulative non-security update for Windows 11 versions 23H2 was released to the public. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooters. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings, and then i-click mo lang dito yung open, and dito lang sa troubleshoots, and under dito sa options ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters, so i-click mo lang yan, and then dito sa other troubleshooters, under dito sa most frequent, and select mo lang dito yung Windows Update. And dito lang sa right side, makikita mo dito yung run. So, i-click mo lang yan. And then, wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. Okay, so troubleshooting has completed, and other solutions we will do or other steps. So, close lang natin tong settings. And then, next solutions we will do is to restart the Windows Update service. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So again, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung services. And then, i-click mo lang dito yung open. So dito sa services and services local, dito lang sa right side ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung Windows Update. So, scroll down and then locate lang natin yung Windows Update. Okay? So, kapag na-locate mo na and then i-select mo lang siya, and then kailangan mo lang mag-double click and pop up itong kanyang Windows Update properties. So, dito lang sa General and dito lang sa Startup Type, select mo lang dito yung Automatic. And the next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung sa running, i-click mo lang dito yung stop and then wait natin. And dito sa service status and i-click mo lang dito yung start and wait natin ulit. Alright, and then next, click mo lang dito yung apply and then click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so after dito sa services and other solutions we will do is to run the SFC command. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito lang sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na SFC space /scan now. So in all small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word yan, and press mo lang yung enter. And then beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And next step, so close lang natin tong CMD. And dito lang si start menu at kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows Update KB5044380 failed installing in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.